Happy March! Normally this would be the auto show month every year, but things are a little different. It's going to be a couple months later. But March is a great time with the sunshine to get out and look for a new vehicle. Now, something I wanted to talk about are just a few things you'd look at when you go to the auto show in some of the vehicles. And the first one is going to be a car seat tilt feature. So the XT6, the Acadia, and the Enclave are all going to have this, and they've had it for a couple of years actually. But what it allows you to do is if you've got a booster seat, you know, for your 4 or 5-year-old, 6, 7-year-old in one side, and then you've got your rear-facing convertible car seat on the other side, and you need to get to the third row for grandma and grandpa or their passengers, the entry is pretty small to get into that third row. So Liv, why don't you go ahead and get into the third row? Thank you. And then all you do is there's a lever up top and a lever on the side. Pull that forward, and then it gives you a lot of extra room. I'll have you hop out, please, here. And then you don't have to remove the car seat to get into the third row. It's a lot easier entry and exit to get into there. So again, the Acadia, the Enclave, and the XT6 with the third row are going to have the car seat tilt feature. Make sure you keep that in mind when you are car shopping. It's a really nice way to get in and out and use that third row.